Okay, Bismillah, Assalamu alaikum. So in lesson 30, we looked at two main concepts. We started to delve into derived nouns, and we also looked at harf or atf. So let's look at what derived nouns actually are. So essentially in Arabic, we know that there's two opinions in regards to root words. Either they can come from the masdar, which is the verbal noun. Essentially that's you take the verb, you remove the doer, and you remove the tense. So all you're left with is the idea. So we have something such as he helped, right? What we do is we remove the he, so the doer is gone. All we're left with is helped. Then we remove the tense, the past tense from it. All you're left with is help. It's the idea of helping, right? So it's either help or helping. That would be our masdar. No doer associated to it, no time associated to it, right? So words can either be derived from that, or they can be derived from the past tense verb. Those are the two opinions that we learned. So from that, words are placed onto patterns, and those patterns produce new meanings. So what we're going to be looking at are 7 of those patterns that nouns can be placed on in order to produce different nuanced meanings. And the two that we'll focus on for today is ism fa'al and ism maf'ul, right? Which aren't things that we're not uncommon with, right? That we don't know. Actually, we know them in some way, so we'll be looking into it a little bit deeper. So this is the list of the 7 derived nouns that Sheikh went through very quickly, right? Today our focus is going to be on these two, so I'm just going to read through these as a quick introduction. So ismul fa'il is a noun that is reflecting the individual carrying out the action, right? So the doer of an action. An example of this is nasirun, right? It's on the pattern of fa'ilun, and it means helper. So ismul maf'ul is a noun in which an action is carried out on, i.e. the one who is helped. Mansur. See, look at it. It's on the pattern of maf'ul. Mansur, right? Ismul dharf is a place or time in which the action was carried out, i.e. a place of prostration, which is a masjid, right? It's a place in which you perform prostration. Ismul ala is a tool which is used to carry out the action, right? An example of this is a key, miftah. It's used in order to open something. Ismul sifa is a noun that is reflective of a description or quality. An example of this is rahim, right? So the most merciful, or kabir, big, saghir, small. Within that word there is a description. It's reflective of a quality of something, right? Ismul tafdil. So it's a comparative noun that compares two nouns and shows one to be more superior than the other. An example of this is akbar, right? Akbar, which means greater. And then there's ismul mubalagha, which is an exaggerated noun. And yeah, that's a quick introduction to the 7 derived nouns in Arabic.